Hello beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I'm going to show you this job, worldwide opportunity. Yes, we have this job, application community manager, video gamer. Yes, you can work with this company. The company name is Keyword Studio. Yes, keywordstudio.com is hiring worldwide. They have so many jobs. Yes, you can see your location, but for example, if you take this job, they say they are hiring worldwide. Please note the applications are open to the candidate worldwide and they are not limited to just UK residents. Free more than free to apply regardless of location, as those are 100% remote work from home laws. Currently, we are accepting application from multiple positions in fields of community management and social media management. Some of the responsibility requirements listed may not be applicable to all the laws. Let's see the responsibility. Yes, the responsibility here is to creating engaging content for social media, building in-depth reports on the community growth and engagements. Yes, assisting the developer by collaborating and reporting on player feedback, creating and updating, responding documents and as needed. Yes, the requirement here is you have to have at least 2 years of experience of community management, social media, and gaming on professional basis. Excellent in writing and verbal communication skills, passionate about video gaming and social media, strong understanding of social media community management platforms such as Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, Twitch, and so many more. So, experts with social listing and social management best practices, experience managing and moderating gaming community, and so many more. So, guys, go ahead and apply if you feel like you are eligible to this position. So, note that the position typically required full time availability, through part time availability might be considered depending on our project. So, depending on their project, you can work part time as well. But in your application, you have to show them that you are available full time. Okay. So, the benefits on the law is full time and flexible, and nice work life balance. Yes, they have the benefits as well. So, go ahead and apply. You can click here and apply. The application is simple. As you can see, it's just to fill the information and the initial information, your email address, your phone number. Of course, you have to upload your photo here. So you have to upload your photo, file photo, and again upload your CV and cover letter. And you have to answer this question: where are you based now? This is really important to them. Do you have 2 years of experience? You have to say yes. What are your level of English or any other language you might know, spoken or written? Yes, are you fluent to speak that language you have mentioned above? So please describe your experience in this community management if you have experienced with this court. If you played video games, can you please give brief description below? You have to answer that. Have you preferred by someone in keywords? Yes, you have to answer that as well. What is your salary expectation? Okay, so please state your notice period. Where did you first hear from this company? Okay, do you understand you sending the profile to this application, meaning that you are not applying for an open law but rather sending spontaneous your CV for any potential future opening? If you click yes, you might say yes, I have been informed and I wish to continue. So this is a good opportunity that you have to submit your CV, and then in the future, if there is job opening, they're gonna start with your CV, they're gonna start with you, they're gonna contact you and do the interview process. Okay, Yes, that is one job that I had for today. Going to the second. Actually, before I go, I would like to show you the positions. So many positions here on this keyword studio. They have so many positions. Let me show you. You can apply, okay? Let's say if you are in all this country or location, let's say so let's say you are in Italy, you are in Spain, you are in France. Even though you are not there, but you wish to work on that specific job, as we have seen, that one was specifically from UK, but they say you have to apply even if you are not in the UK. Okay, so guys, you can see they have all jobs on different locations: Taiwan, Poland, China, India, Japan. So they have so many position Philippines. So go ahead and explore this website according to what you are looking for. So let's move on to the next. We have this. I have been posting these community phones. Yes, they have jobs. Always they have jobs. This is the company you have to note on your phone, on your notebook for job finding, because they always have jobs. Let's say this one, customer support remote. Okay, you can see it's a full time and you can work from anywhere because it's fully remote. All right, Community Fort, we are a mission to make the phone more powerful and relevant than ever been. So, what they are looking for, they are looking for someone calm under pressure, kind, able to adapt quickly to change, excellent in both verbal and written communication skills, experience in these things. Okay, Zendesk, HubSpot, or similar technology. This is important. If you know this, you have to apply. Okay, so we are hiring globally. All right, they are hiring globally and paying $6 per hour. So this is the kind of money where you can apply if you are anywhere around the globe. So as base salary, additional commissions is there. All right, so there is shift on this position. Our shift are US time zone based. We are open every day from 9 Eastern time to 9 p.m. Eastern time. So as you can see, this is a good company to work with, and you can apply from anywhere. Guys, I want to show you my favorite website, simplyhired.com. You can find any type of job that you may wish. Okay, so you can actually filter the job remote and make sure you filter that job for that specific day. For example, this one is customer service representative, and this job was posted 16 hours ago. And you can see the qualification is only this. Experience under 1 year is acceptable, or 2 years is okay. Customer support, high school diploma, and public speaking. All right, so the benefits here on the job training, work from home, and it is flexible schedule. So the payment is $20 per hour. So you can work with this company and work part-time. Okay, if you click here, you will just see the company and quickly apply. So the company name is Potmark Debit Academy. All right, so moving on to the next job. They have so many jobs actually, so I will not go over to everything, but guys, let's say if you write here maybe data entry, all right, and click here. Remember, you have to filter 24 hours to see the new jobs. So let's say data entry specialist. Okay, if you click here, you can see this company is hiring, okay, to work remotely, and it is located in Grand Prairie, Texas. Okay, so their payment is $23 per hour, and if you have 3 years of experience, that will be great with them. And data entry in typing, communication skills, time management as well. All right, so data entry, if you go to this one, customer service representative, this company Arco Air is hiring to work remotely as well, and their payment is to work on and pay $20 per hour. It's full-time job, okay? You have to have these skills: Microsoft Excel, communication skills, data mining and sales, computer literacy, and so many more. So guys, what you have to do is just to type here whatever you are looking for. Let's say virtual assistant. All right, filter in within 24 hours and see the updated jobs. All right, so yeah guys, you can see the only virtual assistant is from this company, O Johnson CPA from San Francisco. Okay, so guys, this is the qualification: QuickBook, computer skills, customer service, Spanish if you know Spanish, multi-language, and so many more. Yes guys, these are the jobs that I wanted to show you today. I wish you to have good week. Yes, as we start the week, may God bless you as you continue to share my video, likes, and remember to subscribe if you are new here. My name is Delphine, and let me to the next video. Bye bye.